matter. Both terms can be used interchangeably, and then you have substance and attribute. And metaphysics now places an emphasis on the relationship, the correlation, the symbiosis between mind and matter, or substance and attribute. We could consider mind as substance and matter as attributes, right? And its relationship to reality. So when we look at synchronicity from a metaphysical perspective, which is a materialistic interpretation of coincidences, right? It's also a phenomenological interpretation, because phenomenology now is a branch of philosophy that also studies the fundamental nature of reality, but it takes a very peculiar, skewed interest in emphasis in the structure. The structure, you all hear me? The structure of consciousness. The structure of consciousness and human experience. And synchronicity is a byproduct of